Hi everybody, we're going to find the coefficient of x to the fourth and the binomial expansion of x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 to the sixth power. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to use our binomial expansion formula. I use R, some use J or K, and we're mainly going to concentrate on this part of it. And what I'm going to do is take this part, the x plus 3, and then use my formula for this second part. So for the second part, I notice that my n equals 6, my a equals 2x, and my b equals negative 1. So I'm going to expand this part right here. So it's going to be 6 choose r, 2x to the 6 minus r times negative 1 to the r power. And then I'm going to distribute the x and the 3. So I'm going to use 6 choose r, 2x to the 6 minus r times negative 1 to the r power times x. Then I'm going to add it again and distribute the 3. So we get 6 choose r, 2x to the 6 minus r, negative 1 to the r times 3. Now we have to find our r in both pieces of this. So I'm going to find my r by combining my x's, and we want x to the fourth. So we have x to the 6 minus r times x to the first power, and we want that to equal x to the fourth. So you condense this left side, you're going to get 6 plus 1 is 7, so you get 7 minus 1 r equals x to the fourth. You look at your exponents, that means r equals 3. Alright, now for this side, we're going to have just the 1x. So we have x to the 6 minus r, and we also want that to equal x to the fourth. So in this case, my r equals 2. Because 6 minus 2 is 4. And then I'm merely going to plug in my r's into my r's here. And I'm going to plug in 3 to the first part. And I'm going to plug in 2 to r in my second part. So we'll get, when you do this, you're going to get 6 choose 3 times 2x to the third power, negative 1 to the third power times x, plus 6 choose 2, 2x to the fourth, negative 1 squared, and then times 3. Alright, now let's just clean all this up. We have, this is 20, 2 cubed is 8, so we have 8x cubed. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1, so I'm going to do is just pull the negative out here, and then we have x. And for 6 choose 2, we get 15. 2 to the fourth power is 16, x to the fourth. Negative 1 squared is just 1, and then we have 3. So now we're just going to multiply this through. So this is to the first power. 160 x to the fourth plus multiply these 3, you get 720 x to the fourth. And when you combine these as like terms, you're going to get 560 x to the fourth. And we just want the coefficient. So our answer is 560. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.